Jacob Mercer never considered himself a litigious man, but when his brand new Premier X Turbo Lawn 9000 malfunctioned and nearly severed his foot, he had no choice. The machine was defective, a clear case of negligence, and Premier X Corporation had to be held accountable. His legal team assured him the case was airtight, a faulty safety mechanism, a documented history of complaints, and a clear record of injuries from other customers. It would be a straightforward victory, a settlement most likely, maybe even a trial. Either way, he'd walk away with a hefty payout and the satisfaction of seeing justice served. Then, his lawyers started dying. The first was Daniel Faulkner, his lead attorney. One morning, he simply didn't show up for a meeting. A wellness check revealed him sitting upright at his desk at home, staring at his computer screen, his hands poised over the keyboard as if he'd stopped mid-sentence. Heart attack, they said. But Daniel had been 42 and in perfect health. The screen had been blank. Then came Alyssa Groves, his junior counsel. A freak accident. She had been found in her car unscathed but lifeless, as if she had simply stopped breathing. The medical report listed no cause of death. By the time the third lawyer, Eric Patel, drowned in his own bathtub despite no signs of struggle, Jacob was terrified. It's a coincidence, people said. A horrible, tragic coincidence. He didn't believe that. Then he found the contract. It was an old, weathered piece of paper tucked inside the Premier X user's manual. He didn't remember seeing it before. It wasn't standard warranty text. The print was oddly faded, but he could still read the words. By purchasing and utilizing this product, the undersigned agrees to the silence clause. All disputes against Premier X Corporation will be resolved by means deemed necessary. Beneath the text was a place for a signature and his own name written in his own handwriting, though he had never signed it. His stomach turned, and he tried calling the law firm. No one answered. He drove there himself. The office was empty. Desks abandoned, computers still on. Not a single soul, as if the entire firm had never existed. His hands trembled as he searched online for news of the lawsuit. There was nothing. No records of filings, no mention of Premier X being sued. It was as if the case had never been started. His doorbell rang. He froze. The house was silent. He hadn't heard a car pull up, hadn't seen anyone through the window. Slowly he walked to the door and peered through the peephole. No one was there. His phone buzzed. A new email. No sender. No subject. Just 2 words in the body. Case dismissed. The lights flickered. Jacob turned around, heart pounding, as he noticed something on his kitchen counter. Something that hadn't been there before. A brand new Premier X Turbo Lawn 9000 user manual, still wrapped in plastic. His name was on the cover. The silence clause had been renewed.